In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on or off game mode on your iPhone running iOS 18. To use game mode, ensure your device is running iOS 18 or newer. Here's how to check for updates. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Select Software Update. Make sure your device is running iOS 18.0 or newer to access game mode features. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Once you're set up with iOS 18, simply launch any supported game. As soon as the game loads, you'll notice that game mode activates automatically, no extra steps are required. But what if you want to check whether it's actually turned on? To confirm that game mode is active, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Look at the top. If it says game mode, then it's currently active. If at any point you wish to turn off game mode for a specific game, simply tap on game mode in the control center. Then tap here. If you want to turn game mode back on, simply tap here. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to manage game mode on your iPhone with iOS 18. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.